Welcome to my class. This class is meant for the English-speaking students, be it Tibetan or American or French. Uh, yes, and I'll explain in English. So we have 30 consonants. Consonants. 30 consonants. So you know what consonants are. From the alphabet, if you take out the vowels, and the remaining letters are consonants. So, I'm going to write the first letter, ka. How do we write this? Ka. Top line first, always top line first. And then come to the front line and the middle line. This is ka. Ka. If for most of the English speaking students, they have some difficulty pronouncing the first letter ka. Ka. So when you say ka, there shouldn't be any aspiration. Ka. 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 And then, as we did before, this is the letter ka. How do we write it? The top line first, and the front line, and the middle line with little curve, and the last line, ka. Ka. Here you aspirate. Ka. But don't aspirate with the first letter. Ka. 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 So in English, the letter I is also a word. I am Tibetan. I am in India. I. In that same way, this letter ka. Ka. Right now, I'm teaching you how to read Tibetan. But at the same time, if you can learn some word, if you can learn some words, it will be helpful to you in the future when you learn the grammar, when you learn the language. Yes, so ka. How do you pronounce it? Aspirate. Ka. Ka is mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Ka. Ka. Ga. 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 The difference are ka, 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 ga, low tone. Ka, ka, ga, ga, ka, ka, ga. And the fourth one is nga, 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 nga. It's a bit nasal. Nga, nga. Nga means I. I. So if you can learn some words or what the letter means, it will be helpful to you in the future. So nga, nga, nasal, nga, nga, I. Uh, if you have interest, if you have patience, if you have diligence, if you have concentration, you can learn to read Tibetan in 18 hours. Why do I say this? Because I taught a French lady to read Tibetan in 14 hours. 14 hours. So you too can learn to read Tibetan in 14 hours. Kaka ga nga, nga. Kaka ga nga. How do we write this? The top line, the adjacent line, and the line joining the adjacent line. This is cha, cha, no aspiration. Cha, cha. Cha. This is aspirated. Cha, 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 no aspiration. Cha, cha. Ja, ja, cha, ja, ja, cha, ja. The letter cha means tea, T-E-A, tea, tea which you drink. Cha, 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 ja, cha. Nya, 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 nya. This is a letter as well as a word. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Nya. Cha 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 nya. Ta. High tone, no aspiration. Ta, ta. Ta. How do we write ta? As we did before. The top line first, and the front line, and with a strong curve, bring it down. This is ta. And this is ta, aspirated. Ta. How do we write it? As we did before. The top line first, and the adjacent line from the front, and then bring it down and bring it here and join it downward. Tha, tha, tha. Ta, tha, da, low tone. Ta, tha, da. Ta, tha, da. Da, da, na, 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 na. How do we write? The top line first, and starting from the line which is joining the top line. Make a circle here and bring it down. This is na, na, na. Na is the word if. If I get time. If you come. If. Na, na. Na is also a verb to get sick. Na is also a word. Na is also a verb to get sick. Na. Ta, tha, da, na, na. So English speaking students will have some difficulty pronouncing the first those letters in the first column, because when you speak English you aspirate a lot, and those letters in the first column should not be aspirated. High tone, ka, cha, no aspiration. Ta, ka, cha, ta. And those letters in the second column should be aspirated. Kha, cha, tha. And those letters in the third column should be low tone. Ga, ja, da. So if I read them one after another, can you hear the difference? Ka, kha, ga, cha, cha, ja, ta, tha, da, ka, kha, ga, nga, cha, cha, ja, nya, ta, tha, da, na. Ta, tha, da, na. Ta, tha, da, na. And we have pa, no expression, pa. How do we write? The top line first, the adjacent line, and the line joining it. This one should be little longer than the one in the front. and join it downward. This is pa, pa, pa. Again, this is in the second column, so it should be aspirated. Pa. The first one is pa, 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 pa. Father, pa, pa, papa, pa. Pakistan, pa, 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 pa. And we have, how do we write this? We write it exactly as we wrote pa. Chik, ni, sum, si. Chik, ni, sum, si. Pa, pa. How do we write this? This is ba. Pa, pa, ba. Baba black sheep, ba, ba. How do we write this? First, the top line, and underneath you write exactly the pa. Chik, ni, sum, si. Ba, ba, pa, pa, ba. Ma, ma, ma. Pa, pa, ba, ma. Pa, pa, ba, ma. This is cha. This is cha. Cha, cha. Cha, cha. You see something looking like a tail added to it. So this is cha, cha, T-S-A, cha, cha, C-H-A, cha, 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 cha. It should have little hissing sound. Cha, cha. And this is cha, aspirate, cha. This too is in the second column. This should be aspirated as well. So cha, 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 cha. The difference is cha, 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 cha. Cha is also a word. Salt, salt which we add in our food. salt. Ta, za, za, zu, za, Zurich, za, za, cha, cha, za, cha, za, ja, za, za. Wa. How do we write? Chik, ni, sum, shi, nga. Chik, ni, sum, shi, nga. Wa. Wa. So for the English speaking students, you should be careful with the letters in the first column. Ka, cha, ta. Those letters in the second column, aspirate them. Ka, cha, ta. Those letters in the third column should be lowtoned. Ga, ja, da. Pa, no aspiration. Pa, sa, sa, sa. And the letters in the second column, aspirate them. Ta, sa, sa. Ba, za. This should not be any problem for English speaking students. Za, zu, Zurich, za, zit, za. And while we were learning these letters, we also learned some words. Ka, mouth. Na, 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 nasal. Na, na. I, ja, T, T-E-A, T. Ja, nya, nya, nya. The difference between these two, na, nya. Na, na, I, na, nya, fish. Na, nya, na, nya. When you are saying it, I think it will be helpful to look at a mirror and see if you are using all the muscles on your face, which I am using. Na, nya, na, nya, nya, na. Cha, sa, sa, cha, sa, cha, sa, sa, ja, ja as in Japan, ja, za, za. Uh, nya is the word fish. Na, if it rains, if, na. And those who are uh, learning Tibetan, uh, which I explain in English, you should comment and let me know if I'm too slow or too fast, or feedback so that I can improve and make the class uh, more useful. So today we will stop here. Feedback, uh, give comments, uh, and let me know how many of you, how many of the English speaking students are learning Tibetan from this class. Uh, most of the students learning Tibetan from me are Nepalese, and I'm telling stories in Tibetan for the students who already can speak in Tibetan. The students are everywhere. Some are in Russia, some are in Indonesia, some are in India, Canada, America, like that. So let me know if it is too slow, or if I should speak louder, or if I have to change my microphone here. I bought one, but if it is not as helpful as it should be, I will have to go and buy another microphone. And some students have difficulty hearing me, and I went to see how it works with their mobiles. With some mobile, it's loud and clear. With some mobile, it's not so audible. I don't know why it is so. Maybe their mobile is very old, or for some reason, some students don't hear me clearly. If so, you can turn on your smart TV and uh, watch me on the TV and increase the volume, and that should solve the problem. And if there is any problem, please let me know. Comment, like, and share it. If you think it is helpful, please share it, uh, and push the bell icon if you want to come to the next class. So thank you very much for coming to the class, and see you tomorrow. Bye.